How to log in FNB account online in PC. Hey guys, welcome to our channel WebToTech. In this video, I am going to show you how to log in FNB account online in PC. So let's jump to the process. First, open any web browser available on your PC. I am going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar, then type in fnb.co.za, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of FNB Bank. To log in, click on username box, then enter your correct username. After this, click on password box and enter the correct password of your account. Now, if you do not remember your username or password, simply click on forgot username or password. After entering your username and password, click on login. With this, you'll be able to log into your FNB account. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.